The advisory board is here to help the faculty to bring new students in, design different classes. It acts as a mentorship program for students to get jobs. So it's a very important factor in terms of elevating the real estate program.
You now can go to a networking event where the executives and higher management of these development companies are actually attending these events.
I can have a conversation with somebody that's been doing real estate for 50 years, with investors, with all kinds of people, with professors.
So this is a way for us to form the same relationships as they do in the Ivy League schools, help the students and give advice at the same time.
So it's giving back to my community, but it helps me be a mentor as well for others.
A mentor can really help get somebody who's younger to understand the different roles and paths and gateways that are available to them, and also the idea of opening up some connections to them that they might not have had otherwise.
I'm so fortunate to have such a great mentor like my dad. I mean, really, he's done an amazing job at guiding me, and I think that's something a lot of people don't think about a lot.
Well, I mean, there's no greater joy than seeing when you present these checks to these one or two students every year and you pay off their student loan and they cry. And for us to do our little part and help two kids enter the real estate community debt-free, it's just a tremendous blessing.
Miami's growth, it's incredible. It's really a market on its own.
Miami's a melting pot, and because of it, you get fresh ideas, fresh design. Everyone from New York wants to move their headquarters here. The thing that I like the best about real estate, you see how it contributes to the economy, to the community.
No, I mean, I agree with my dad. I think a lot of the same things, changing communities for the better is obviously a huge positive.
And the money's pretty good too.
The mascot of FIU is the Panther, and the Panther's poised for the next step forward. So I think FIU's poised to do something special in the future.
To me, what FIU is doing is incredible. It's a major player in the growth and development of what's happening in Miami and across the state.